Our feeling is the same as when Qasem Soleimani was martyred. There is no difference. Hassan Nasrallah was martyred on the right path. He gave his life for Islam, defending the oppressed. A defender standing up.
They should determine at this moment in history where they stand. The cruelty and crimes that have taken place is an absolute thing in front of us. There is no logic in a world where women and children are considered terrorists. This terror should be answered in the most severe way possible.
For the oppression of the people of Gaza and Lebanon, to defend Syed Hassan Nasrallah and his martyrdom, to show that we are with Lebanon and that the Zionist regime will never last and its end is very close.
So Iranians from all walks of life have gathered around this iconic Palestine square to show solidarity with the people of Lebanon as the Gaza war has virtually spilled into Lebanon and the conflict between the IDF and Hezbollah is reaching alarming levels. So I can see people holding Hezbollah flags, the famous yellow Hezbollah flags, as well as the Lebanese flag to show solidarity with the people of Lebanon. And now it's customary that at such rallies, demonstrators burn the Israeli flag to show their outrage over the Israeli action in Palestine and now in Lebanon. So people here are demanding that the international community immediately step in and try to end the ongoing Israeli shelling of residential areas in Lebanon. I talked to a couple of people here and they told me that what Israel is doing in Lebanon is a reflection of its frustration over their failures in the year-long Gaza war. They said that they want to resort to violence to bury their frustration over their repetitive defeats and setbacks in the year-long Gaza war under a cloak of violence. They also point fingers at the West for its unwavering support for Israel, saying that it's all a plot trying to plunge the whole Middle East into turmoil. So that's a sentiment also shared by Iranian officials. We heard from the Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi, who said at the UN Security Council's emergency meeting, he said that Israel has resorted to the use of multiple 5,000-pound bunker buster bombs gifted by the US to release them and drop them in residential areas in Lebanon. So he said that while Israeli leaders must be held accountable for their heinous crimes in Palestine and now in Lebanon, the complicity of the United States cannot be overlooked. We see people are now chanting slogans against Israel and against the West for its unwavering support for Israel, saying that all this needs to come to an end before it's too late. So we also heard that Iran is now planning to send some troops to Lebanon. We heard it from different Iranian officials that Iran stands ready to support Hezbollah. And these people also confirmed those reports, saying that they're ready to go there to Lebanon, to the battlefield, to support Hezbollah against the Israeli aggression. And this has just today, Ayatollah Khamenei, the Iranian supreme leader, released a strong worded statement. In that statement, he called the IDF, quote, the rabid dogs of Israel. And he said that Israel must be ashamed of its actions in Lebanon. And he said that those actions, however small they are, they will not go unanswered. So precarious moments here in this situation as we see that everyone is watching with bated breath as the chaos is really snowballing into a wider regional conflict.